Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so I picked up some stuff for my crawlers. These tires, they're called Ripper 1.9 crawler tires from rchopups. These are at JJ Customs. They feel nice and soft. They do have foams inside them. I'm gonna open these bad boys just to show you guys real quick. Yeah, they feel super soft. Yeah, they're like super soft. The foams are a little stiff, but I think with some weight on there, I think they'll be all right. But I got these to try out, and they're just a tiny bit smaller, so it's gonna give it a little bit of a flat, I think. We'll see. We'll see. I might have picked up the wrong foams, but these are 1.9 hardened closed cell 2 stage rock crawling foam inserts. These are for 105 to 110 millimeter. So they look like they're just a little bit smaller than the tire, which might be too much, but we'll see. I probably should have got the bigger foams. But I wanted to see if they'd fit in there and then sit a little to give that squished look, but it might not be. It might be too much, but these are nice, and these are super soft sidewalls, so the foams in them themselves might be good. Taking them out of the bag, and these are so these are big too, the XL, 4.75 by 1.7 by 1.9, so they're nice and wide. I think these are gonna do good, guys. I picked up some nice rims to put these on. 1.9s, nice red. I think he's got a few different colors of these. Get these at JJ Customs, shipped for free in the United States. Worldwide shipping also. I believe it's $29.99 for one lump fee. You know, if everything fits in the box, they'll ship it all for that same price. And I also gonna try these extenders. These are 15 millimeter hex extenders. Come with the pins. Come with everything to install it. For my Element Enduro Sendero, I'm gonna try to put it on that and see if those will work good on that. And then I got some a little bit, these are 5 millimeter +5, I believe that's what these are. Extended, you know, it doesn't say what they are, but I believe on these, yes, that's where I saw it. +5. There's rchopups name on there. They come with the pins to screw them in. These are for the TRX4 or TRX6. So yeah, I was going to put those on my TRX4 to get the wide tires to spin out just a little bit, but these are cool, guys. These are nice. I didn't realize they were that soft. So we'll have to see. Yeah, these might not fit. I might not even try it because those are so much smaller. But these would probably fit my smaller tires that I have. See how much smaller those tires are compared to these tires? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right here. So these dual stage foams would fit perfect in those. So I think that's what I'll keep those for, because these are just stock foams in here. These were all right tires. They just make the car, I don't know. They're smaller tires, so they don't crawl as good, you know. These are kind of like dollhouse tires, not 1.5s, but they're just 1.9s, just a smaller version of it. But these are nice. These would look good on my crawlers. So I might do that. That's what I'll do. Bam. Okay. And I think I'm just gonna leave these. Maybe he's got the bigger dual stage foams in the store. So if that's what you guys are looking for, so he's got two sizes of these. So so you can get this the bigger size. Maybe I'll go back and pick up the bigger size and try those in here. But I might just try the stock foams. These look pretty good. The tires are super soft. I mean, just soft. They're not. They have that nice flick to them. So, all right, there you go, guys. More RC hop-ups, good stuff for my crawlers. You know, I have a lot of crawler friends that are into crawling, so kind of got me in a little bit of a bug to do this kind of stuff. So, plus this is good tinkering stuff to build tires. Throw on some tires and some hexes and stuff like that to make your crawler a little bit better. So there you go, guys. Like I said, free shipping in the United States from JJ Customs for RC hop-ups. Even the SpeedTek and his new company that he's selling for is flyhighrc. He's got some drones. I just did an unboxing and a video of this one flying around in my garage. Yeah, pretty cool stuff, guys. It just flips and stuff automatically. I think it's like, I think this would be like almost like 80 bucks or 85 bucks or something like that with an extra battery. So it comes with one battery. I grabbed the second one. You're definitely gonna want to get a second one. It doesn't take that long to charge. So you, while you're playing, you charge the other one. Hopefully by the time that's done, you got the second one charged up, ready to go. Yeah, fun little thing to throw around inside. It's got a bumper to where you can turn on, so if it gets close to the wall, it stops and moves away, so it won't crash into the wall or hit anything like that. Your hand, your head. So, but yeah, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and appreciate your support. And you all have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can see the rest of my videos coming up. Have a good one.